Introducing the 2008 Nissan Rogue. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Nissan prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.